back with my 1977 Corvette, and today what we're doing is we're digging into wiring. Specifically, just cleaning it up and taking care of wires as you go, making sure that everything behind that dash while I have it apart is still fresh and is still pulling enough resistance as well as conductivity for all my Intellitronics gauges. Yes, if you see my Intellitronics install, I should have did it then, but now I'm doing it now. I've got these gauges out and I'm starting to go through and just make sure that I've got the wire conduit put on nicely. It's still a work in progress. I've swapped all these connectors to spade connectors, and then the ones that are exposed here have sheathed females. That way everything's nice and neat. Then I'm going to go back and wrap these ends with a little electrical tape, make it look even more clean. And the goal is to take all of this and clean this area up as well, and as well as also treat different areas of where the metal, get a little alcohol in here, clean some of that dust up, and then place some conduit on my wiring in here. And at the end of this, I'm going to show you what a cleaned up wiring harness looks like. Now, yes, it's not 2021, but this 1977 will clean up nicely. Let's get to it. Make it easily accessible to pull my dash if I had to, the gauges, in case I need to service them. Everything is well labeled now, and it goes to the original harness, so there's no bubble work here. Okay, so why this placement? Well, under here is a quick access panel that looks like that. That panel will allow me to quickly access any of these connectors if I need to isolate a circuit or do any troubleshooting. This goes, of course, to the main headlight rheostat, and then as well as the headlight switch. And then over here I have the vacuum, and this is for the emergency override switch, and the well labeled hose. You want to make sure that if you're going to do what I'm doing, that you take a picture of where the blue and where the white line hose goes on the switch itself for the headlights. That way you can put them back exactly as they are supposed to go. While you're in here, touch up any of the metal parts to help keep corrosion away, and then button it all back up.